You're here at the Remote Chief, and I'm outside with the Cx-10A. Check it out. I'm going to do a little flight, put the camera on my head, and show you how good it does outside on a very windy day. Gusts are up to 35 miles an hour today, I'm not joking, with about regularly 18 north by northwest winds. We're in Queens, Roosevelt, the famous Roosevelt, home of John Leguizamo. Check it out. Cx-10A. Look, does a little flip. Woo! 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 40 bucks, man. Best toy ever. So cool. Really nice. Flies out in the really strong wind, you know. We have big ones, really big ones, then it gets to the big boys with the cameras on them, you know. It all starts with this guy, you know. This is the little guy, and then 12 minutes to charge. And then you fly it for like 10 minutes, and then, you know, it's great. If you keep two of them, you can charge one while you fly. Yeah. You charge it USB, plug it right into the wall. I sell everything with a little charger, and it's awesome.
And there you have it, the Cheerson Cx-10A.